Okay, so para naman po sa video na to, discussin po natin yung ilang problem sa chapter 3. So we are gonna start with problem 3-14. Okay. Before you proceed sa panonood ditong video na to, basahin mo muna yung problem. And of course, dapat nag-effort ka muna na sagutin yung problem. No? Kasi pag nag-effort ka na sagutin yung problem, mas tumatanim sa isip mo yung details at mas maintindihan mo yung aking discussion. So for problem 3-14, pinapakompute sa atin magkano daw yung overtime premium paid to the operator. So yung operator, ang normal working hours niya is 35 hours per week. And for week 7, render siya ng 42 hours. So that means, ang kanyang overtime hours is 7 hours. The difference between the 42 actual hours worked and the 35 regular hours. Yung 7 hours, multiply mo siya dun sa rate per hour and then i-multiply mo dun sa overtime premium rate. Kasi ang tinatanong lang naman sa atin ay yung premium. Pag sinabing premium, yung extrang bayad beyond the regular rate because of overtime. So, nabanggit kasi sa problem na yung premium daw is 50%. So, ibig sabihin, yung premium is 50% ng $10.20 per hour. So, 7 times $10.20 times 50, you'll get $35.70. So, yun na po yun. Yun na po yung ating problem 3-14.